What's up, f***ers? Welcome back to the Tire Tuckers.
Hell yeah,
I'm Jack, this is Daniel, this is Tanner, this is Tristan. Go follow our shits. Today, we're going to be fixing up this Infiniti Q45 that used to be, still is, I don't know, mine, but now it's Daniel's. And we're replacing the control arm bushing because, if you can see, it kind of has camber and we didn't do that.
And it's a tire tucker.
Yeah, it's a one-wheel tire tucker, this car is.
Yeah. Almost. And we also have a trunk and a hood.
Yep,
put
we
on
got
this
a
today.
trunk and hood.
So it's going to match us up. What I want to do today is get this fender more aligned. There's also a fat dent on the hood, like right in the middle because someone backed into it from the previous owner. So I'm going to try with dead blow, rubber mallet, and punch it out. But by the looks of it, I don't know if I can do that.
Alright, we fixed Tanner's fitment, pretty much. Put some bolts in. Now we're gonna try and bang out his hood.
We can't.
We can't?
No. So if you look,
there's a bunch of unibody shit in here.
Yeah. Just no bueno.
I bet if you were able to get a rod stuck up like back behind it and like pry it out though.
I want to try and get a suction cup and just...
A suction cup?
Yep.
Jack, let's hit the auto store, rent that part.
Yeah, let's hit it.
Yeah,
maybe
I
we
agree.
can find something there for you too.
Yeah, and some hardware.
Alright. Hear that in the background? I love my new H-pipe from last week. Wink, wink.
Last week.
Look what Tanner bought.
Pops a dent.
Pops a
Okay,
dent.
this is a perfect time to show it because the camera hasn't seen it.
Yep. You see this filthy dent right here?
Horrible. I bought the car like this and it aggravates me. I hate body damage and this is just horrible.
Yeah.
There's gonna need to be paint correction once we pop it too.
Yeah.
More paint correction right here.
Yep.
Then there's paint correction in the back bumper too, but you know, it's gonna be the daily, so we want it to look nice. All right, here's my dilemma. I hate reading instructions.
Same.
Absolutely.
What's up, camera
I'm an
number 2?
individualistic personality.
Just send it.
So I think I'm gonna try and do this on my own.
Go first?
Yeah?
Yeah, I hate instructions.
Instructions.
I really hate
You
instructions.
want to see what we do with instructions?
Don't tell me how to do things.
There, go back away.
Yeah, put it in the firewood.
Yeah, we're gonna burn it.
Hell yeah.
I think I know how it works.
Yeah, me too.
You just let this out on the bottom and you glue it down and you just
Yeah.
crank it up and it rips the dent out.
Yeah.
Seems pretty simple, right?
Very simple. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Look at this.
Yeah. Oh, yep.
Where you have it, dude. It's in here.
Yup.
And then probably like right here. And then
Alright,
pull over
here's our
here.
first product review. Let's see if the cheap O'Reilly's
Yeah, actually.
push
Pops it down.
pops a dent and dig repair kit for $20 does the job.
As seen on TV.
As seen on TV. Oh, even better.
That's not going in the video. Nice. Good old mountain glue.
Okay.
You got that on there.
Fast.
Yeah, get that stuck down. Alright, now I think you let it dry.
Yeah.
And then you twist it up.
Yep.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, it just came off.
Did it?
Yeah. No, it stuck to my paint. Lovely. It didn't even sit on there because it wasn't tight enough.
Put more.
Yeah, I think it needs a lot more. Can that come off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Clip that hell up.
Yep. Alright, let's get it on. And we'll let it dry.
Oh yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. fluid's coming out.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yep. Look at that.
Hell yeah. That looks about...
Pulling the dent.
Sounds like...
I think you just pull it till the glue breaks off.
What? Jacob, I think he's bullshitting you as much as you're bullshitting. It's probably true. Is it working?
Yeah.
Yep.
Hella good.
Look at that.
I think it's about a...
Because now you're bending the plastic.
Yeah, pull it out.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to get the tool and
Oh,
yeah.
is that little thing?
oh, there it goes.
Whoa, Jesus Christ.
That's what happens when you put too much pressure on it.
It did pop it pretty good.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, we're just gonna have to
We're gonna have to pop it some more.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get it like perfection.
Yeah, that's for time lapse. We'll see a before and after
did
this.
So if you look at it, it looks a lot better. There are still a little few dents, but we use the biggest size possible to pull out the bigger ones. There are some smaller ones that we are going to try when we sand this down and put some paint correction, but as you can tell, I'm not really upset about the paint marks from all that super glue because there's paint correction that's needed all over the car. But anyway, looks pretty decent, and I'd have to give it for $20. You get your money's worth for sure. I mean, it definitely pops it, but I wouldn't use it if you're afraid about your paint getting messed up. Would you agree?
Yeah.
I agree.
So here's our problem. This is what this bushing causes. It causes the tire to only wear like right here, and it just rubs down to the wire after a few thousand miles.
Okay.
So we need to remove this upper control arm mount thing right here. It's like a two-piece upper control arm. Pretty weird. I don't really know, but up here you can see this bushing is just wrecked.
That's what
That's what this is.
we're replacing it.
So we've got the 17 on the end of the brake bar, and first thing first, we're gonna break this top bolt in here. Let's break it loose. So now what we do is we hold both sides so we can actually start loosening it. Now we gotta just bang this out. It'd be better if I had a hammer. It works. Oh, yep. We're gonna have to clean this up on the bench grinder a little. You wanna just do that now? You can actually see a little bit of damage from where the bushing was clicking on it. This bolt's still straight though, so we can reuse it, or we can replace it to make everyone happy. Ooh, here we come.
There it is.
Here it is. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah, it's actually a little bit domed up, but we'll see how this. Oh jeez. I guess we didn't even have to worry about removing it. Damn. Yeah.
Tweaked.
It is really up actually. What's left of it? Right here.
Oh my god.
We might need to replace this piece, but I don't know yet. You know what wasn't focusing? This is set to manual focus. Yup. That was the bushing the car was riding on. For a fat minute. That's how I bought it, and that's just how I sent it, because I don't really care. Does it do anything?
Got all that coming out. Yeah, I think so.
Alright, now go ahead and try to smack it. There it goes. Hell yeah, we got it. Let's see, we got it cleaned out.
Alrighty.
Now we should clean this out a little more so the new bushings will press in, and we'll do that. Like that. That's better. Is that seated? Yep, just about.
All sides?
Yeah. That's looking about as good as it will. Let's flip it over and do the other side. Line up the new bushing here. We'll put the new non-damaged bolt in.
Put in
There. Oh yeah. Oh, yep, it's in. Just about. Hell yeah, that was easy. A lot easier than I thought. We just gotta get that screw hole perfectly in, but hold up, it's coming. You see it? I just gotta get this side right. Maybe bang it in, yeah. Ah, shit. There we go.
nice.
Hell yeah. That was a lot easier of a job than I thought it was gonna be, honestly. I've been putting it off for a fat minute because of that. Alright, we're in.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. Let's get we didn't undo anything else, did we? Alright, let's get a wheel on and see how it looks. Alright, let's see if it wiggles. And that's. I replaced the tire rod, so I don't know. Well, it's a little shaky in that direction. Look. Oh, yeah. Now it's a lot better. Let's see how she looks on the ground. Oh, yup. Look at that. That's how it's supposed to sit. Yep, it's literally just the axe.
So there's four.
I got this.
Alright,
4 bolts on
grab
each
both
side.
sides.
Okay.
And
Ready?
then that is all it takes to take off the hood.
Oh, shit. There we
Alright,
go.
we had to
Ready?
disconnect our
Oh, no, it's stuck.
wiper fluid. Nice.
Honestly, dirty.
Here, let's just chuck
leave it
this
like
shit,
this.
bro.
No,
Yeah,
come
just
on.
leave it.
Comparison.
Comparison? Old versus new?
New.
It's just dirty.
Bro, that hood is so ruined. Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
That's a fat upgrade.
see what this looks like.
It looks like a JDM race car now without a hood. Hell yeah, just drive around like this.
Race car.
Race car.
And keep the pickaxe on there.
Hell yeah. You're still gonna need it.
For decoration.
And to hold the new hood up.
Oh, look at that.
Hell yeah.
Fuck.
Jack.
High. Real high.
Going so fast, Tanner.
You were going fast, Jack.
And you started going fast. And it was the whole club. Someone want to hold it up with the pickaxe.
Right.
Dope.
Yep.
Alright, now we just need to line it up and bolt it in. And we're gonna do the trunk lid another day. Because we have to swap the keyhole and I don't feel like doing that.
The keyhole, Dirty Dan, the keyhole.
Gotta have the right hole.
Yep.
Hey!
Just two different whites.
Yeah.
They
You can barely tell.
Really?
You can barely tell.
It's like your SCs.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, yeah, it is two different whites.
That's okay. Yeah.
We'll just paint it all one
That was
white.
gonna be
Yeah.
a third
With that.
different
We'll
one.
just
Yeah, we'll have 3 different whites on the front. Alright, we're about to go for a test drive.
Just got the new hood on.
Yep. Focus.
New bushings. Should I just back out straight? Like the bump.
No, I'd turn it. You can see. Oh yeah, isn't that a lot nicer? No clunk. You can see we have a white hood now.
Let's go hit some bumps. Wow.
Yeah. Like that smooth.
That's way better.
Where did my, do you have my remove before flight tag?
Gave it to Tristan.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah. He has it.
I'm gonna get that back from
I just got a little pump.
He's been trying to steal that from me since I ordered it, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
And he saw an opportunity with me.
Yeah. He for real did.
That's crazy.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and full send this little hood.
Shelby's Doritos are mine now.
Those are cheating.
Oh my god, that
Look
was
at that.
too loud.
That was crazy. I just added an intake, bro. Hood vent.
Alright guys, today we replaced the hood on the Q. We replaced the bushings in the tire. Before it had stupid camber and it was fucking up the tire.
And it was a tire tucker, and we just untucked tire.
We just
Again,
untucked the
we've
tire.
done that to 2 cars this week.
Yep.
Next, we're gonna be working on the trunk. Maybe something else, I don't know. Painting this.
Yeah.
That's the goal. We're gonna paint this fender next.
Bro, this car's gonna be stripped down. We're gonna have to take off everything.
Oh yeah, we're gonna. But it's gonna look so cool.
We're gonna
one
take
day.
the hood back off. We're gonna take the fender off. We're gonna take the
Let's
other
paint the
fender
bumper while
off,
we're at
the
it.
bumper
Yeah, we should
off.
paint everything.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take the doors off.
Yeah. Let's just take the frame and body off of it.
Yep.
Tristan and I were pretty successful today with pulling pretty big dents. You can't really tell that it's dented, but there are some little miscellaneous dents.
You see the before and after, the comparison.
crazy.
Yeah.
They
it's
look like
pretty
little
good.
hail dents now instead of like someone actually backed in.
Yeah, it
So-
looks a lot better.
Once I get the smaller size for the dent puller, I feel like it'll be perfect. And then probably next week, sand it down, pull the rest of the little dents out, and do paint correction. And then yeah.
Hell yeah.
So
Very nice.
thank you for watching.
Subscribe, like, follow Tristan. He's cute.
Thank you, I guess. I don't know. Thank you for watching.
Finishing
Goodbye.
the video, I mean, cold. All right, now we're done.